Hi, I'm Emma and today I'm going to talk you through how to use the new Cricut holographic iron-on mosaic. To cut your mosaic iron-on, lie it down face down on the mat just as you would with any other iron-on vinyl. Make sure it's nicely stuck down and then load it into the machine. Make sure you pick the custom mosaic iron-on setting on your computer. Now it's time to weed our design. So I'm going to peel the whole sheet off of the mat. Remember to always peel your mat away from your material. Cut around your design so that you can reuse any excess vinyl another time. Now, the thing that's different with Mosaic Iron-On is that it's got 3 layers. You've got your normal carrier, then an extra carrier in the middle, and then you've got your vinyl. And this means that you do not have to weed away every tiny little circle or square on there. You can just easily peel it off. So you go in with our weeding tool and you'll be able to lift up that layer and peel away, and that will reveal your design. As you can see, I'm now left with my completely weeded design, and you can see all of the individual pieces of the mosaic on there ready to be ironed on. Now it's time to press your design onto your t-shirt. So I've set up my easy press at 165 degrees centigrade for 30 seconds. Remember to check on the heat guide for the exact temperature that you need for the material that you're adding your iron-on mosaic to. Next, I've got my Cricut Easy Press mat down on my table, and I'm going to pop my t-shirt flat on top of there. And I'm just going to give a quick 10-second pre-press to my t-shirt to remove any moisture. So I'm just going to pop the Easy Press on top, gently move it around to get any moisture out of the fabric. Now I'll grab my mosaic iron-on, pop that down exactly where I'd like it to be. Like so. I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to pick up the Easy Press, pop it on top, press the green button for go, and just add a light pressure and wait for the countdown to count down the 30 seconds. Lift up my Easy Press and pop it back into the cradle. And now, whilst it's warm, I'm going to peel away the top carrier. Remember, with your mosaic iron-on, you've got 2 carriers, so we're going to peel away the top one whilst it's still warm. So we've got a clean carrier there, one side. As you can see, my design's there, but it's still got a carrier on top, so I'm going to wait for the design to cool before I peel that away. I'm going to remove my mat from underneath, give a gentle waft just to cool this down. Now that the iron-on has cooled down, it's time to remove the second and final carrier. I like to use a weeding tool for this, just because it's easier to get in there and get those edges. So head on in and then peel away just as you would normally with iron-on vinyl to reveal those beautiful mosaic circles. And repeat until all of your design is completely free of the carrier. There you go. One t-shirt using the new holographic mosaic iron-on vinyl.